Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the kitchen again, but I won't be cooking anything today. Today I'll be making some homemade pepper sauce, and this will be my first time doing it, so wish me luck. Here I'm going to show you the products. So these are the ingredients. I have some scotch bonnet pepper here, or brown pepper, some people call them chocolate pepper. I have vinegar here, the white vinegar. I have salt, and I have garlic and scallion. So I'm going to cut up the peppers and show you how I make it. So I'm going to use a fork to hold the pepper because I don't have any gloves. So I'm just going to chop them, roughly chop them. I'm not going to cut them fine because it's going to be blended. And I'll be removing the seed from some of them because this pepper is very spicy. So this is the pepper. I'm going to add it to the blender now. I'm going to add some of the garlic and scallion. Now I'm going to add the vinegar. And I'm going to add a half tablespoon of salt, and this is to preserve it. And now we're going to start blending. I'm using a spoon to check the consistency of the pepper sauce. I'm adding some more peppers now because it's a bit too thin. So now I'm going the container that I'm going to store it in, and I'm going to pour it in there through a funnel. So this is my hot pepper sauce. So I'm storing it in a squeeze bottle. I hope you enjoyed my video.